Hi, I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to be talking about a Chrome Delete kit for Model 3. The new refresh Model 3 comes with Chrome Delete, and many existing Model 3 owners want to bring their cars up to date. That's why we developed this kit, and we're going to be talking about how you install it in this video. But first, a few important points. Although it might look easy, vinyl installs can be challenging. Small wrinkles appear, tiny pieces of dust fall under the vinyl stretches. All of those things have to be taken into consideration. At EVANNEX, we provide you with detailed written and video instructions for getting this job done. But you also need patience, you need to read instructions carefully, and you need to be willing to accept the fact that there may be tiny flaws as you work and go forward. The final result, however, can be terrific, and you will bring your existing Model 3 up to the new Model 3 look. The installation of vinyl can be challenging, and in order to help our customers, we provide 2 copies of every vinyl piece you'll need to install. If you do make an unfortunate mistake, that gives you backup. In addition, we provide extremely detailed written instructions, step-by-step instructions that will guide you through the process, along with 2 different squeegees that will allow you to tuck the vinyl into crevices and also smooth the vinyl. An X-Acto-like blade that will allow you to trim if trimming is required, although the pieces do fit rather well. In addition, we would strongly recommend that you have the following tools available: a sharp scissors, a hairdryer, which you can use to heat the vinyl to make it supple when you need to place it around curves, and very importantly, cleaning materials. An alcohol water mix, 60% water, 40% alcohol, and a couple of microfiber cloths. All of this together is what you'll need to do a proper install. The Chrome Delete kit comes with 3 sheets that in combination contain all the pieces you'll need to do a full Chrome Delete for your Model 3. The first sheet contains pieces that will be used to Chrome Delete your mirrors, your door handles, the camera housing, side-looking camera housing, and your Tesla T badges on both the front and back. The second sheet and third sheets both contain window and door trim pieces, which you'll use on both the passenger and driver side to trim all chrome over the windows and through the doors. Each of the sheets is numbered, and there is a legend provided for which pieces correspond to which parts of the car provided within your written instructions. The legend is important because the piece identification is tied to the steps that you'll use as you install the vinyl. Let's get started. As you can see, I hope you can see this on the video, even though we washed the car, even though the car looked clean, the alcohol water mix does take off some last bits of grime and grease. You do need to do this every single time.